Angus, look at me.
Just get spread around.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Gus, do you know who Jesus is?
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
You are not going back outside.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
You want some cookies? Okay.
You want to go for
A walk?